Alright. You want to let us know where they're coming? I'll tell you. Two. We see two. Three. Where?
Straight ahead.
Oh. Yeah, they have the left side. What?
More than 3, 4 at least.
Yo, we're getting about 4 people over here.
Matt's there. Got the saw.
Matt's got the saw. We see 4 people. They're advancing towards us. Yo, Mike, why don't you fall back just a little bit and lay down? Just move slow. We got a group of 5 advancing towards us. 4 or 5. Can't talk, hold on. Mike, fire when ready. OF. Yo, go back. Shane needs your help.
Shane does.
Shane does. He's got a guy with the right shield.
Alright. I'm moving up.
Right behind the rock.
Right here.
Yo, is there anyone behind the right shield?
They're right behind this stump.
Is anyone behind the right shield?
Yeah, there is.
There's someone behind the right shield?
Yeah.
Keep him suppressed. You keep him suppressed?
What's that?
You keep him suppressed?
Yeah, hold on one second. My half was way too high.
You ready? One move.
One down there too. Shoot. He's out. Never mind.
Alright, you want to keep him suppressed?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Come up to the tree.
Just fire, just fire. Got him! Oh, safety's on. Hold on. Hammer at the bottom.
Cover me over the rock for 1 second.
What?
Cover me over the rock for 1 second.
Go.
6?
I think so.
There's one there.
Oh, I see one guy.
Oh, almost.
Where is he? See him?
Oh, shoot.
What?
Dallas with his sniper. Oh, that just whizzed past my head. I think he took a few beard hairs with that one.
I'm out of ammo. And my sniper. You see him? He's right there behind the tree. Where I'm shooting. Alright, hold on. Give me covering fire. Stop, stop. He's out. Kill him! My battery's dying. Matt has 3 lives, so I need to tag him back in. Yo, where are you? Can you try and fire at him?
Where is he?
To the left, behind the tree. Hit. Want to switch guns for me for a second?
There's a guy too far up. My thing will reach him up there.
Just come here. You can borrow my gun. Here, you get that camera for a second. Now you get the videotape me. Come on.
Support. Go quick. Go for it. I got these 2
It's bad. The gun's dead.
Ah! Head with the truck.
You capture and go. It's gonna like kill it. Stealthy, be stealthy.
Be stealthy.
That's good. He doesn't see you, you're good. Oh, thing's got wheels.
The thing's like hobbling. Okay, Sean, stop. The poor goat.